everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kashyap and you are watching this video. Hope so you are doing well. In today's videos, I am going to show you how to create your own YouTube channel from scratch. Whether you are a beginner or just want to learn more, I will walk you through and each step. So let's get started. Step-by-step guide on how to create a YouTube channel. Step number 1: sign in Google account. First, you need a Google account to start a YouTube channel. If you don't have one, simply go to google.com, click on sign in and create your account. Step number 2: go to YouTube channels, click on your profile icon. Once you are signed into Google, head over to YouTube. On the top right corners, you will see your profile picture on blank icon. Click on it. Then I choose profile picture. This is my profile picture. I choose it. Then just wait. Profile photo upload successfully. And then my name, I show this Screenify Studio. After clicking creating channel, you will be asked to give your channel name. This is where you can choose the name you want for your channel. In my case, it is Screenify Studio. Handle name is my correct Screenify Studio. Then create channel. Just scan below it. The banner picture. The banner is most important because it represents your channel look and feel, so make sure it's high quality and natural themes. And then I show a banner picture. Just wait a moment and channel banner update successfully. Wow, my banner is very cute. Beautiful. My channel name is, I show that Screenify Studio. Then add a channel description. Make sure to add a channel description. This is where you tell your audience what your channel is about. You can also include links to your social medias or websites. This helps people understand the kinds of content you will be creating. Then my 40% profile is almost done and 60% profile is remain. Then point number 6 is customize your channel for rapid growth. If you are aiming of rapid growth and more foreign traffic, here are a few things you can do it right away to improve your channel visibility. First of all, open my YouTube channel and click view your channel. Then customize channel. Click below button. Just wait and get the app. Ignore this and create and blue label is ignore and just close it. Just close. And this is my all contents. To increase your channel's visibility and attract more viewers of other countries, there are a few strategies we can use. Just make your content SEO friendly. And this is my all things, my all description. Then I choose a setting, right corner button. First of all, country. My country is, very well, my country is Pakistan. I belong to Pakistan and I am Pakistani. Then I select Pakistan. Use keywords. This is most important. Use keywords is your video title, descriptions and tags. For example, if you are making a videos about how to create YouTube channels, your title might be how to create a YouTube channel. This 25 step-by-step guide. This is helps people search and find your videos more easily. And YouTube searches engines work just like Google's. So things about what your audience might search for, this use those words. And feature eligibility. Now I talk about YouTube feature eligibility. Especially if you want to unlock features like monetizations or custom thumbnails, YouTube has certain eligibility requirements that you will need to access some of these features. Step-by-step process, just like monetization programs and custom thumbnails. First of all, I open a YouTube channel, then enable features, click it, and custom thumbnail. Text me verification code, for example, my what is your phone number. To add custom thumbnails to your videos, your account needs to be verified. This is easy to do by the following a simple process in the YouTube account setting. Once verified, you can upload any thumbnails, images to YouTube library. Just copy paste and send a verification code. Then copy. Qualify, you need at least 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, 12 months, and you need to have a Google AdSense account linked to your YouTube account. Once you meet this requirement, you can apply for monetization for the monetization tab. First of medium languages, I select English speaking, and my country language, national language is Urdu, and other option is don't have. Fine. And my is almost done. I can save it. That's it for today's tutorials on creating your YouTube channel. I hope found these videos helpful. If you did not, forget to like, subscribe, and then hit the bell icon. Alright, that's all for today's video. I hope found this guide creating your own YouTube channel helpful and easy to follow. If you enjoyed these videos, make sure to give it a thumb up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any updates for this creative studio. I will post more helpful tutorials and tips, so stay tuned. If you have any questions or want to share your YouTube journey, drop comments below. I love hear for you. Also let me know what videos you like to see next on this channel. Thank you so much watching my channel, watching my videos, and keep creating, keep learning, and I will see you in the next video. Take care and goodbye, good luck, have a nice day.